Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a couple of the goodies that I was able to get from the Samsung store. So I have it right here in this Samsung bag. So let's take it out and see it. So the first thing that we have is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, as you can see here. It's in the cream color, and it is also the 512 gigs for the price of 256 gigs. So this is the promotion that is going on. We are going to be unboxing this in this video, so do stick around. But let me show you what else is in the bag. So the other one is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I will unbox this in a future video. Seems to be a pretty good watch. Do stick around and stay subscribed if you want to see an unboxing of this and maybe also a comparison of this with the Apple Watch Ultra. I know that there is a price difference, but let's see if it's going to be a good buy. And obviously, if you want to buy this, then you're probably someone who is an Android user, most likely a Samsung user. So the user base is different, but let's compare in a future video. I'll keep this to the side and dive in deeper to the box. I have a Samsung screen protector. This is for the S23 Ultra. And I also have the silicone grip case for the S23 Ultra. Obviously, with such expensive phone, you do want to protect it. So the screen protector and the case is going to be for that. Not going to be unboxing this in this video. For today, I'm just going to be unboxing the S23 Ultra. And this is what the video is about. So let's get right into it. So the box is right here for the S23 Ultra. You get to see the photo of the phone with the Galaxy S23 Ultra written here. On the side, you also get the Galaxy S23 Ultra engraved. On the other side, you get the Samsung engraving right here. Nothing on the top. It says here ROM is, which basically means the storage is the 512 gigs. RAM is 12 gigs and color is cream. Samsung here has like a seal. What you can do is on this arrow right here, you can pull. Okay. That's out. The bottom should also have something like this, and it does right here. There you go. There's something here, which we can take it out later, but this is how the phone appears when you take it out. And the first thought was, I thought maybe it got mixed, or I don't know. I was kind of confused with this. Let's take this paper thing out. There is a flap here, if you can see. So try to stick your fingers there and carefully take it out. Okay, I'm going to put the phone to the side for now. There's nothing here. That's empty. But we did see some additional stuff here on the top part. So let's take it out. This might have maybe a SIM ejector tool and also maybe some paperworks. Okay, SIM ejector tool and paperworks. And we also have a USB-C to USB-C cable. As you know that you don't get like a wall outlet, so just the USB-C to USB-C cable. You can read these booklets if you want to, SIM ejector tool if you need to use it, but that's pretty much it. So let's just jump right into the device. That's what we're here for. So I have the device right here, the front, back. Now let's peel maybe the front because there's a flap right here if you can see. Take this out if you want to. It's like this. This is the cream color, as you can see. It looks pretty good, I have to say. And it's the sides, just look at the sides. It's kind of flat, not as curved. It does still have some curve, but pretty minimal, I would say. I really like it. The power button and the volume button is on this side. Look at the camera layout. I think the cream color, or it appears to be white in the camera. I think this is the way to go. Although the highlight color of this year for the S23 Ultra was the green color, but I'm digging the white one, the cream as they call it. So we still have this protection on the front. Let's peel this off. To do this, we'll just, there you go. Look at it. This is how it looks like. This is the front screen. It is pretty massive, I have to say. Let me get my Galaxy Z Fold 4 to do a side-by-side look comparison. So here I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the back of it. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. As you can see, footprint, the S23 is obviously wider and it does appear to be taller. It's a huge device. And for those of you who loves the S Pen, it's on this corner. If you needed to write something down, you can basically just on here, press. S Pen is right here. So you press and it pops out. It does do a click and then you just pull. So even with the cream color phone, what you get is a black S Pen, which is right here. Hopefully it focuses and it's pretty simple. You just put it inside once you're done and then press. That's simple. And as you can see here, it's a USB-C port, and then just speakers here, and then the SIM tray is underneath. On the top, you have a microphone, and on one of the sides, there's pretty much nothing. I don't know, between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the S23 Ultra, I feel like I'm really digging the cream, which basically looks white. It's really amazing. Although the design of the Fold is on a completely different category itself, I feel like just the size is pretty different. So let me try to get as close to as I can. You can see that the S23 Ultra is slightly taller, and it is obviously wider, as you can see here. Look at this. If you are someone who wants to experience a Fold, then obviously you would have to pick the Fold 4. This is the latest Fold out for now. But if you don't want the folding experience and you hate the crease or whatever the reason, and you're out in the market for a new phone, then the S23 Ultra could be a good pick. If you are into Android or if you like Samsung, this is a good phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it there for now because this is just an unboxing video. I will put my main SIM from the Z Fold 4 to the S23 Ultra, experience it for a couple of days, if not weeks, and give you my honest opinions. I have heard that there is a 200 megapixel main camera as well. I would like to test that out before making any judgment calls and give my feedback, my experience, my opinions based on my usage. So do stick around for that. Do stay subscribed if you want to watch that. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Peace.